I'm still building it, kiddo, but yeah, that's for you. It doesn't quite work right now. What do you think, kiddo?
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Sorry, kiddo. It's not really working right now.
Oh, but it's very cool.
I know, it seems a little
Daddy's
weird.
gonna fix it. Remember, it's broken.
You found it before I finished it.
Daddy's gonna fix it. Yeah, you'll turn it like that, but Daddy's got to get it kind of. Oh, that's very cool.
Are you excited? Do you know who made that? Got that for you? Nanny. Nanny got that for you. Can you say thank you, Nanny? Not thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Nanny. Alright, kiddo, I'm going to go get my socket wrench and I'll finish this thing, okay?
Which stick, Peter?
She's got one other.